The road from Ampi market to Kalachan via Ampi, NAGAR, Madhya is in horrible state. Due to constant rain, it has converted totally unfit for pedestrian and vehicles, especially school students as well as the local women are suffering much to work on this route. Some places on this road rainwater occupies the full surface of the road. When people are going back home after completion of marketing from Ampi market, their suffering knows no bound as they are bearing marketing goods with them. The concerned authority must take immediate initiative to renovate the route to give relief to the daily pedestrian. The local people of the area have demanded immediate renovation on this road.